Welcome to Inside Kitchen Stories. Today we're bringing the royal flavors of Rajasthan with the classic Rajasthani mutton curry. Tender mutton cooked in aromatic spices and creamy gravy, a true feast from the desert state of India. Ingredients: you'll need 500 grams mutton, cleaned and cut into pieces, 2 medium onions finely chopped, 3 ripe tomatoes pureed, 2 tsp ginger garlic paste, 2 tsp oil or ghee, 1 tsp cumin seeds, 1 tsp turmeric powder, 2 tsp red chili powder, 1 tsp coriander powder, 1 tsp garam masala, 1/2 cup fresh cream, salt to taste, fresh coriander leaves for garnish, cooked rice or roti to serve. Preparing the base: heat oil or ghee in a deep pan. Add cumin seeds and let them splutter. Add chopped onions and saute until golden brown. Stir in ginger garlic paste and cook for a minute until fragrant. Cooking tomatoes and spices. Add pureed tomatoes, turmeric, red chili, and coriander powder. Cook until oil separates from the masala. This rich, aromatic base gives the curry its signature Rajasthani flavor. Cooking mutton. Add mutton pieces to the masala, stir well, and sear for 5 to 7 minutes. Pour in water or mutton broth to cover the meat. Cover and simmer on low heat until mutton is tender, about 45 minutes to 1 hour. Adding cream and final touch. Once the mutton is cooked, lower the heat and stir in fresh cream for smooth, luxurious texture. Sprinkle garam masala and garnish with fresh coriander leaves. Taste and adjust salt. Plating: serve your Rajasthani mutton curry hot with steamed rice or fresh roti. Look at that creamy, spicy, aromatic curry, truly royal. And there you have it, authentic Rajasthani mutton curry, perfect for family dinners or festive occasions. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Inside Kitchen Stories for more delicious regional recipes.